Good morning, student. Today we will discuss another type of drugs, another category of drugs. They are known as psychedelic drugs. Okay, so psychedelic drugs are also known as hallucinogens. So, what are the hallucinogens and what is the meaning of hallucinogen? Generally, if a person is feeling illusion means bhram. Okay, apparent perception of external objects or sound. If he or she feel unnecessary sounds, that time such kind of auditory or optical illusions are known as hallucinogen. Okay, so hallucinogens are directly, it mainly act on our central nervous system. So psychedelic means mind, or delum means manifest. If anything is affect our mind and soul, that time it's known as psychedelic drugs. So hallucinogens can be of two types: natural hallucinogens and synthetic hallucinogens. Natural hallucinogens, and as you can see on your screen, natural hallucinogens are of basically five types, or LSD, cannabinoids, belladonna, psilocybin, or mescaline. So these are the examples by which we can understand that natural hallucinogens which are present in our surrounding naturally. Okay, so they are basically such type of chemicals which affect our central nerve system especially. Okay, so one by one, firstly I am going to explain you about natural hallucinogen, then we will discuss about the synthetic hallucinogens. So first one we will discuss LSD. It is the most potent type of hallucinogen, and they are generally found in such alkaloid is found or obtained from the dried fruiting body of the ergot fungus. Okay, one type of ergot fungus is there, and this from this fungus it can be extracted. The name of this fungus is Claviceps purpurea. Please note down it, Claviceps purpurea. Okay, so Claviceps purpurea is a one fungus from where, and this fungus is generally present in ray grass or ray smut. Okay, so from this fungus only this chemical this drug can be extracted. It generally affect, as I told you, it's a very strong type of hallucinogen, and that time people can feel that floating sensation or nightmares, or basically it affect the central nervous system. Okay, so fetal abnormality, if a lady consuming it for a long time, or abused by this or addicted by this particular drug, so that time fetal abnormalities can be seen. Okay, so LSD is eating grain affected by ergot is called ergotism. Those people who are eating such kind of plants which is having this particular this fungus, and this disease is known as ergotism. Okay, what is the medical use? What is the medical use of it? If a people is using it in a proper amount of LSD, that time it is just very helpful. Those who are having the those who are having the urination, continuous urination process, they are not having the control on urination, जिनको बार बार यूरिन पास करने की दिक्कत होती है, the muscles are not working properly of urinary bladder, so that time this can be used as a medical purpose, or checking hemorrhage, migraine, or like this. So for this purpose LSD can be used in a medical prospect. Okay, so second one type of drugs, natural hallucinogen is mescaline. Mescaline, this is a low potent type of white powdery alkaloid, and it is generally present from the dried tops of a plant, cactus plant. This is a Lophophora williamsi. Okay, Lophophora species, generally it is present in Lophophora species, or it affect the alteration of mood, changes perceptions. As I told you, it is a hallucinogen, और hallucinogen हमेशा illusion generate करते हैं. Okay, so how we can use it as a medical form. So in a medical form, rarely it can be used. It is just like a drug. So how the people can use them? They can inhale them, or they can take it orally. So these are the availability and mode of use of mescaline. Now the third one type of drug is psilocybin. Okay, third type of drug is psilocybin. So psilocybin is a very strong type of hallucinogen. Again, I am telling you. So where is the availability of it? It is available in form of powder and liquid. And what is the use of it? It is used as a psychological medicine in a medical field. Those who are having the psychological problem, so this can be used, psilocybin. Okay, now next one type of drug is belladonna. Okay, belladonna is just extracted from dhatura plant. Dhatura, all of you have seen dhatura plant. So seeds of dhatura, stramonium, and aerial parts of atropa belladonna. It is misused as a hallucinogenic property it is having. That's why dhatura से नशा होता है बोलते हैं. Okay, why is it so? Because it is having the hallucinogenic property. Next one is of cannabinoids, and that is very important, children, because cannabinoids जिसको हम बोलते हैं भांग. Okay, भांग, गांजा, चरस, okay, marijuana, hashish, they all name we use as cannabinoids, product of hemp plant. भांग का जो पेड़ होता है. Okay, so the name of this plant is cannabis indica. So from it, if we cannabis indica and cannabis sativa, they two plants, from it 4 type of drugs can be extracted: bhang, ganja, charas, or marijuana, also called marijuana. Okay, so dried leaf of this plant, flower of hemp plant, is used as a drug. It is a annual herbaceous plant, and nowadays also it's growing up. So that's why narcotic department always roaming in our city also to check it out, that abuse of this particular plant. Okay, so bhang is generally we are also using it at our home, bhang seeds, or it is, this fruiting body is very delicious, but misuse is also there. So this is dangerous for body. Okay, is also work as a hallucinogen. So one pic I'll share with your notes part. In this, by this also you can make notes that which plant is used as a natural hallucinogen, and name of botanical name of that particular plant, and all the things you have to write down in a tabular form. Like as I told you, tea plant, name of tea plant is Thea sinensis. Okay, and dried leaves of it use, and which drug is extracted from tea plant? Caffeine. Like other one also, cannabis indica. Now only I have shared cannabis indica, hemp plant, and belongs to which family? Moraceae. Okay, and bhang or ganja, charas, marijuana, they work as a hallucinogen. Generally they extracted from the dried powder form, leaf form, or flowering top of the plant, and like this we can use it as a drug. Okay, so this table I'll share it with you in your note section. Now next one is synthetic hallucinogen, and synthetic hallucinogen generally it's of PCA or PCP or MDMA. So these are the main type of synthetic hallucinogen, and they affect our body in a very dangerous way. Okay, PCP is widely used in veterinary medicines also, but this particular drug work as a stimulant, depressant, and hallucinogenic. So that's why people are using it as a drug. Okay, they are addicted towards it. Second is methylene dioxy methamphetamine, so MDMA. So it is also a central nervous system exciting hallucinogen, and students are using it इकेस्टसे ड्रग. ये बहुत डेंजरस टाइप का ड्रग है चिल्ड्रन, बिकॉज ये इजीली अवेलेबल रहता है और स्टूडेंट्स इसको बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ करते हैं. ओके, सो दीज सिंथेटिक हेलुसिनोजेंस आर वेरी इफेक्टिव, स्पेशली hallucinogens work on central nervous system. So I hope that much topic is clear. In our live class we will discuss about the drug addiction, the last topic of the same chapter. Thank you children.